Hi there, my name is Jake and I am ArtCloud's Vice President of Customer Value. Welcome to this video tutorial series on editions management in ArtCloud. In this video, the first in our three-part series, we will lay the foundation for future learning by defining how editions are structured in ArtCloud, how we recommend each tier in that structure be used, and outline the sample data we'll be using throughout the remainder of this video series. I'm confident that once you complete this video series, you will not only understand how editions are structured in ArtCloud, but you will be able to create and manage all of your editions as well as understand how all of this data percolates to your ArtCloud website to then be viewed by your website visitors. And with that, let's get started. First, it's important to know that editions in ArtCloud are structured in a three-tier architecture. We like to think of this architecture as a family, where edition records, the children, are organized into edition sets, the parents. And those edition sets are organized into edition titles, the grandparents. Edition records within the same edition set are referred to as siblings. This will be important later on in video 3 when we look at how all this data relates to each other in the ArtCloud platform. As a best practice, we recommend you use all three tiers at all times, so your data is uniform and you have a consistent experience and methodology when working with the editions feature set in ArtCloud. Each of these tiers are designed to be used in a specific way. Edition titles are each a portfolio of the edition sets that are based on the same original work. Edition sets are groups of edition records that are categorized by the same medium and dimension. And edition records are the individual editions themselves, either original, limited, or unlimited, that comprise a given edition set. Next, let's take a look at what all this means in real terms by exploring the sample data set we will use for the remainder of the videos in this series. We will be creating the editions for the work The Neon Motel Pool by artist John Rodriguez. The portfolio, based on a single work, is what we refer to as the edition title. Our gallery is only selling licensed prints of the work rather than the original work itself. We have access to prints across three mediums: risograph on paper, giclée on paper, and lithograph on paper. For each of these mediums, we have two sizes available: 6 inches by 8 inches, what we'll refer to as small, and 12 inches by 54 inches, we'll refer to these as large. As you can see, given the inventory our gallery has access to, we have a total of 6 separate edition sets organized by the intersection of both medium and size. Within each of these edition sets, there are many edition records. For this example, we will be creating 10 records in each set for a total of 60 edition records. Thank you for your attention during this video. You now have the foundation you need for the remainder of this video series, where we will explore how to make all of this come to life in ArtCloud. In our next video, we will dive into the ArtCloud Manager platform to learn how to create edition records and how to organize those records into edition sets.